Why can we trust that every word in the Bible is true? In a world filled with so much misinformation, how can we be sure that anything is truly reliable? And when it comes to the Bible, how can we trust that every single word is true? Ang sagot ay nakasalalay sa mismong kalikasan ng Diyos. Sinasabi sa atin ng Titus 1:2 na ang Diyos ay hindi nagsisinungaling. Ang katotohanan ay nakaukit sa kanyang pagka-Diyos. At dahil ang Biblia ay salita ng Diyos na ipinahayag sa pamamagitan ng mga taong may akda, ang katotohanan ito ay ginagarantiyahan ng Diyos mismo. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a friend who is known for their honesty and integrity. You trust everything they say because you know that they would never intentionally deceive you. God is like that, but on an infinitely grander scale. Ang Biblia mismo ay nagpapatunay sa kanyang kompletong pagiging maaasahan. Ipinapahayag ng 2 Samuel 7:28, Ikaw ay Diyos at ang iyong mga salita ay totoo. Inihahambing ng Psalm 12:6 ang mga salita ng Diyos sa dalisay na pilak na dinalisay sa isang hurno na nagbibigay diin sa kanilang kadalisayan at pagiging perpekto. And here's the thing, the Bible's truthfulness isn't just about abstract theological concepts. It has a real world implications for how we live our lives. If we can't trust the Bible, then we have no solid foundation for our beliefs, our values, or our actions. Ang nagtatagal na kalikasan ng salita ng Diyos ay isang patutuo sa kanyang banal na pinagmulan at walang hanggang kaugnayan. Ipinaalala sa atin ng Matthew 24:35 na ang langit at lupa ay lilipas, ngunit ang aking mga salita ay hindi lilipas. So here's your challenge. Don't just take my word for it. Explore the Bible for yourself. Study it, meditate on it, and ask God to reveal His truth to you. And as you do, may you discover the unshakable confidence that comes from knowing that every word in the Bible is true. John 17:17, Sanctify them by your truth. Your word is truth. Pagpalain na tayo ng Panginoon.